Good. What time is it? You have an ant on your pants. Where? The one down there. Good morning, guys. It is really early. I got 2 hours of sleep and I'm tired as fuck, but we're going camping and my dad is loading the truck and he's been loading it for like an hour. What kind of man takes that long? But anyways, we're gonna leave soon. We're gonna go pick up Samantha right now and we're gonna leave, and hopefully it doesn't rain on us because then it's gonna be messy. But yeah, also I got a haircut and I'm still getting used to it, but I think I love it. You guys, I am lucky obsessed with my hair. I'm just like staring at myself and I'm being laughed at right now because I'm talking to myself, but really I'm talking to the vlog because I'm feeling myself. You guys, so we're out here at our campsite and they're trying to set up our tent right now. And yeah, I'm just sitting here because I have cramps.
What the heck? Carla, don't be judging.
Don't be judging.
Thanks for setting the campfire. You have to set the campfire now.
Well, the vlogger won't do it, so I have to do it.
Okay.
I am taking selfies while they're trying to set up the tent.
Guess who's not sleeping in the tent tonight?
You! Y'all got me fucked up. They insist in me helping. I'm about to fuck it up. Ya está lista. ¿Qué quieren que les haga?
Que apoye, que ayude.
Looks ready to me.
What are you drinking?
Tomato juice. Swear, if you're swimming in on my goddamn face.
I'm not.
I would hope not.
Tía, diga hola.
Hi.
No, but ajá.
Hi.
Tío, diga hola. I'm fun. Carla.
Are you recording? Ma, a las 10 aquí ya tienes que estar callado.
Ajá.
So we're back in the tent because it started raining really hard. And
we're supposed to be cooking meat, but it's like
yeah, it's raining, so our fire's like being stupid.
no,
but my dad's making food. And we are. Yeah, we are. It's not gonna rain all night. So I am currently alone in the tent. No! No! I'm currently alone in the tent because Samantha and Ruth want to eat. But I don't want to eat.
I'm gonna close this, okay?
Yeah. Because I don't feel good. The weather is so nice here, you guys. Like, ugh, I'm so happy with this weather. I just wish I wasn't on my period and I didn't have cramps and my back wasn't killing me. Because then I'd be enjoying it so much more.
Guys, there's like a squirrel, but you could barely see it. It's right there. So what are we doing now?
Well, if you post, I'll be taking a picture.
Okay.
And if you stop recording me.
Okay, so now we're starting the, what is this called? The fire to do our s'mores. We look so tired because we barely woke up.
So, our marshmallows got fucked up.
Like they melted.
Like, but still pretty good.
Pretty or bomb? Mmm.
Carne asada todavía. Hay de ese
Guys, this
aguachile.
is pretty.
No quiero-
And then you put this,
This one's perfect.
and then you put this.
Where's the chocolate?
And just squish it together.
Right here.
Yo no veo oscuridad, no veo luz.
Abre ahí.
A ver la lámpara.
Carlos. Carlos.
Slap her ass, slap her ass. Go, go, go.
A ver. Chingada madre, Samantha.
Es la Carla.
A ver, acuéstate ya.
La madre, no dejan dormir tranquilo. Según se viene la sierra, uno a dormir aquí a toda madre. La
Sierra. Party, party.
La madre.
Party. Es que quiere que sea party, tía.
Qué pan, que la chinga, ponte a dormir ya.
You guys, my mom peed her pants. Ew. You guys, she peed on me. My mom peed on me. Look at guys. My mom peed on me. I'm literally crying.
Now your mom's property because she pissed on you.
She's waking up my dad. She's waking up my dad to tell him that we need to leave the campsite because she peed herself.
And she doesn't have like a.
It's literally 3 in the morning, you guys.
It's 3:40.
And I fucking peed myself. I mean, my mom peed on me. You guys, look how fucking gross. I'm literally soaked. Because I was sleeping with her.
Do you wanna borrow my other pants?
Because I was having quality time with my mother.
No, but she has leggings.
But instead she peed her pants.
Ew.
It's literally, like, it stinks in here.
And we literally have to leave like right now because she doesn't have anything else to wear.